Right now at the State House, lawmakers are considering proposed changes to Rhode Island's controversial Law Enforcement Officers' Bill of Rights. Among those testifying, Dominic Vincent, the young man shot by off-duty Pawtucket police officer Dan Dolan in 2021. Target 12 investigator Steph Machado tells us about his testimony and the legislation lawmakers are debating. Steph?
Efforts to reform this police accountability law have fallen apart for several years in a row, but State House leaders are optimistic this is the year.
I realized that I had gotten shot.
Dominic Vincent was 18 when he was shot by off-duty Pawtucket police officer Dan Dolan in a West Greenwich pizza shop parking lot. Dolan was acquitted of criminal charges earlier this year, and the Pawtucket PD wants to fire him for his actions. But it's not up to them. The final decision will be made by a panel of police officers under the Law Enforcement Officers' Bill of Rights. In written testimony ahead of Tuesday night's hearing, Vincent wrote, quote, "My family and I have been personally impacted to an unimaginable degree by the excessive use of force of law enforcement. While some officers truly protect and serve as they should, we must not protect those who endanger innocent lives."
We just can't keep pushing this off and pushing it off.
State Rep Ray Hall, a Providence police sergeant, is the lead sponsor of one of the bills that would change the law. It would extend the number of days an officer can be suspended from 2 to 14 before they have a right to a Leobor hearing. And it would remove the gag rule that prevents chiefs from talking about officers accused of misconduct.
People have a lot of trust in us as police officers. And when we get in trouble, they want to know. They just want to know what did that police officer do.
State Rep Jose Batista has a competing bill.
It does repeal the worst parts of Leobor.
His proposal would let chiefs fire or suspend officers, with the Leobor panel serving as the appeal process.
There have been too many police chiefs who said in this day and age that they feel like their hands are tied. They can't issue punishment. Let's give them the ability to manage their own departments in the way they see fit.
And a third bill being heard tonight would repeal Leobor altogether. That hearing in the House Judiciary Committee is taking place as we speak. My colleague Amanda Pitts is in the room, and we'll have more tonight at 10 and 11. I'm Steph Machado, 12 News.